Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. It has been a long time since I did a keratin hair treatment, so I thought of doing it today. Keratin treatments are hair smoothening treatments. Many beauty parlors offer keratin treatments, but usually they are formaldehyde based treatments that come with lot of side effects, especially if done regularly. I prefer to do keratin treatment at home with natural ingredients and they do work really well. Today, I'm going to apply a flaxseed based keratin hair pack. For that, first I'm extracting coconut milk by pouring warm water over the grated coconut. You can also grind in a mixer and extract the coconut milk too. Now pour the extracted coconut milk in a pot. Add in 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to it. Reduce the flame to low so the mixture gently simmers. If you boil in high flame, the coconut milk will split. Make sure to stir often and it will slowly start to gel. This recipe will take longer than usual as we are doing it in a low flame. Once it gels and thickens like this, remove from the fire. Now pour it over a thin white cotton cloth to get flaxseed serum. To make the pack, cut a ripe banana and take it in a bowl. Add in the extracted coconut milk serum. Add in a tablespoon of oil of your choice. Now grind to a smooth paste. The paste should be smooth and free of any lumps like this. If it is lumpy, it will be very difficult to wash it out of your hair. Apply this pack all over the hair, wait for it to dry, and then wash it off with a mild shampoo and condition your hair as usual. This keratin pack can be used for every type of hair. This is one of the best remedies for dry, frizzy hair. Do give it a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.